Telluride is already one of the best options on the midsize SUV market, but if you wait for a bit longer, you can get an absolute class leader because Kia's 3-row SUV is coming completely redesigned for the next year, improving every aspect of the current model's design. Let's check 6 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Kia Telluride is a genius move. Number 6. Completely new exterior. The current Telluride already turns heads wherever it goes, but Kia wasn't satisfied with just looking good. The 2026 model gets a complete exterior makeover that takes inspiration from their electric EV9 while keeping that rugged, family-friendly character everyone loves. Up front, you'll find a completely redesigned grille that's wider and more prominent, with vertical LED headlights arranged in a distinctive C-shaped pattern. These aren't just regular LEDs either. We're talking about advanced matrix technology that can selectively dim sections to avoid blinding other drivers. The whole front end sits higher and more upright, giving the Telluride an even more substantial presence on the road. The side profile maintains that boxy SUV shape, but with cleaner, more sophisticated lines. Wheel arches are more pronounced to accommodate larger wheels up to 22 inches, and the overall stance suggests this isn't your typical family hauler. At the back, connected LED taillights span the entire width of the vehicle, creating a modern light signature that makes the Telluride instantly recognizable from blocks away. Finally, the redesigned model brings new multi-tone paint options that let you customize your Telluride like never before. The X Pro variants even get matte finish options with blacked-out trim that screams adventure-ready capability. Number 5. Groundbreaking hybrid powertrain. For the first time ever, the Telluride is getting a hybrid option, and it's not some weak, eco-friendly compromise. This system combines a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to pump out around 330 horsepower and a massive 400 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than the current V6 while delivering fuel economy that jumps from the current 23 miles per gallon to an estimated 31 miles per gallon combined. Think about what that means for your wallet. With current gas prices, that efficiency improvement could save you over $800 per year in fuel costs alone. Plus, with a projected 619-mile total driving range, you'll be making fewer stops on those long family road trips. The hybrid system is designed specifically for the Telluride's character, too. That instant electric torque actually improves low-speed performance both on-road and off-road. The really clever part is how Kia engineered this system. The battery pack doesn't steal cargo space or hurt ground clearance like some hybrid SUVs. Instead, it's strategically positioned to actually improve the vehicle's center of gravity, making the Telluride handle better than you would expect from something with the additional weight of a battery pack. For those seeking maximum capability, there's even an X Pro hybrid variant that adds a second electric motor to the rear axle, creating a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that can instantly direct torque where it's needed most. Number 4. New interior design. The outgoing generation already features a pretty impressive interior, more upscale than you would typically expect to see in something with a Kia badge. But things elevate to an all-new level with the 2026 model, as it gets improvements in every aspect that matters. The new Telluride comes with a completely new cabin design, characterized by larger screens, a more stylish dashboard design, improved ergonomics, and most noticeably, a big step up in the overall sense of luxury. It's not just about bigger screens. Material quality takes a huge leap forward. Even base models now get soft-touch surfaces throughout, while higher trims feature genuine leather and real wood accents that rival luxury brands costing twice as much. The attention to detail is next level, with precision stitching and panel gaps that would make German engineers jealous. Storage solutions are everywhere you look. Larger center console, expanded door pockets, smart underfloor storage in the cargo area. Kia thought of everything. The panoramic sunroof now extends over all 3 rows, creating an open, airy feeling that makes the cabin feel even more spacious. Ambient lighting can be customized to 64 different colors, while the enhanced sound insulation creates a whisper-quiet environment that rivals luxury vehicles. Number 3. New tech features. The technology upgrades in the 2026 Telluride are absolutely mind-blowing. The new infotainment screen runs Kia's latest CNC software with graphics so crisp and responses so quick, it makes your smartphone look slow. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, but here's the cool part. The system automatically connects to your phone as you approach the vehicle. Digital Key 2 technology means you can leave your traditional keys at home. Your smartphone or smartwatch becomes your key, and parents can even set different permission levels for teenage drivers. Want to limit vehicle speed or audio volume when your kid borrows the car? Done. The system even includes a valet mode that restricts access to personal information stored in the vehicle. Highway Driving Assist 2.0 comes standard across the lineup, providing semi-autonomous driving that actually works. This isn't some gimmicky feature. It can handle lane changes, manage stop-and-go traffic, and even communicate with the navigation system to slow down for upcoming curves. The 360-degree camera system now includes a transparent hood view that makes off-road navigation and tight parking situations effortless. For audio lovers, the optional 14-speaker Harman Kardon system delivers concert-quality sound with active noise cancellation that adapts to different road surfaces. The Tri-Zone climate control ensures everyone stays comfortable, while the new air filtration system can remove 99.9% of airborne particles and viruses, creating a healthier environment for your family. Voice command functionality now understands natural language, so you can simply say, "I'm cold," to adjust the temperature instead of learning specific commands. Number 2. More passenger and cargo space. Kia engineers stretched the wheelbase for 2026, creating additional interior room throughout the entire cabin. This is especially noticeable in that third row we mentioned earlier. Not only does it get more legroom, but headroom improves too thanks to a more vertical rear design. The second row receives completely redesigned seats that offer better support and more adjustment range. Both 7 and 8 passenger configurations will be available, with the 7-seat layout featuring premium captain's chairs that can be equipped with heating and ventilation on higher trims. These aren't just basic seats either. They're designed to rival what you'd find in luxury vehicles. Cargo capacity improves significantly thanks to more efficient packaging and those slightly larger external dimensions. The more vertical rear design helps maximize loading space, while clever underfloor storage compartments provide secure spots for valuables. Even with all 3 rows in use, the 2026 Telluride offers more usable cargo space than its predecessor. But here's what really matters for families: the practical improvements. Wider door openings make getting car seats in and out easier. More USB-C ports throughout the cabin mean everyone can keep their devices charged. Cup holders are better positioned and actually hold modern, oversized drinks. These might seem like small details, but they make daily life with the Telluride significantly more convenient. The power liftgate now features hands-free operation with adjustable height settings, making access easy even in tight parking situations. Number 1. V6 remains. Here's the best news for traditional engine lovers. That smooth 3.8-liter V6 isn't going anywhere. While everyone's rushing toward forced induction and hybrid complexity, Kia understands that some buyers still want the simplicity and refinement of a naturally aspirated V6. The 2026 model keeps this proven engine, but with important updates that boost output to 295 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. More importantly, it's paired with an updated 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smoother shifts and improved fuel economy. We're talking about 21 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway with front-wheel drive, meaningful improvements over the current model. For buyers who don't need maximum efficiency but want that classic V6 smoothness, this remains the perfect choice. What's really clever is how Kia designed the new platform. Whether you choose the V6 or the hybrid, you get all the same interior improvements, technology features, and design updates. You're not missing out on anything except the hybrid powertrain itself. The V6 models even get some unique benefits: slightly lower weight, simpler maintenance, and proven long-term reliability that naturally aspirated engines are famous for. This gives buyers a real choice based on their actual needs. Want maximum efficiency and cutting-edge technology? Go hybrid. Prefer traditional simplicity with modern refinements? The V6 delivers exactly that. Either way, you're getting a completely redesigned Telluride that addresses every weakness of the current model while building on its considerable strengths. The V6 even maintains the same towing capacity as before, 5,500 pounds, so you're not sacrificing capability for that traditional engine character. Along with the new Telluride, the corporate sibling from Hyundai, the Palisade, is also coming completely redesigned for the next year. Check out this video about the reasons why you should wait for the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, which you can now see on the screen. It's getting big upgrades as well, but with Hyundai's unique flair that might turn it into an even more interesting proposal than the Telluride. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.